experience of the last two concerts we had. The first one was in Karachi, and yesterday we had the concert in Hyderabad. That the people came to us before and afterwards and asked about our instruments and asked about what we are doing on stage there and what is this, because I know for your kind of folkloric music you don't need any written music, notes. So we have the original music, what's written by Ludwig van Beethoven on our stands, and we try our best to play exactly what he has composed 300 years ago. It's a big difference between the Western music and yours, because you're playing by heart and by emotion, and we try also by emotion, but also with music on our stands to give this music a new sound. This is the one thing, and the second thing is just let me introduce the instruments, because I think many of you never seen these instruments before. And so we have on the oboe, Jörg Schneider. Wow. And the bassoon, the red one on Paul. We have the French horn, played by Sebastian. So I have a problem. You see the similarity between oboe and clarinet. I won't play because I'm talking, lucky for me. But this is the clarinet, he's playing the oboe. We're from the same kind of instrument, but we have different reeds on the top. So it sounds different. And of course the grand piano, played by Thomas Hoppe. Okay, this just a brief music lesson from us. I hope you enjoyed it. So now we continue to play, and we play two movements of Walter Gieseking's quintet. Walter Gieseking was a famous pianist in the 1950s. So he was not the famous composer, but this one piece, it's really, we love this piece because there's anything combined what you can imagine of Western cultural music. You have all the French composers in it, you have all the German ones, and you hear everything, so you get an impression about everything. So we thought maybe it's a good thing to play it here. So enjoy the first and last movement by Walter Gieseking. Thank you.
Well done.